The Android operating system, developed by the currently named Android open source project and led by Google, is one of the two initially supported by Dreamweaver, and deservedly so as it's growing by leaps and bounds. According to Adobe's Net Averages site, as of this recording, Android has a healthy 21% share of the market. As you can see when I drill down by double-clicking on the Android pie slice, Android's market penetration has been steadily growing in the last year. The Android news is even better when regarded from a global perspective. According to the independent research firm Canalys, Android has close to one-half of the worldwide smartphone market, 48% as of August 2011. What makes Android so popular? Well, its open-source nature and Google pedigree are key ingredients, but so is its robust technology. Although an in-depth dive into the androidOS architecture is beyond the scope of this course, and you don't need it to get started developing mobile apps with Dreamweaver, a brief overview will give you a sense of how things are structured and what the possibilities are. At the very bottom, connecting directly to the hardware is the Linux kernel, which handles power management and core system services such as display, audio, keypad, and the camera, among others. The Android runtime contains the core Java libraries used in the programming of the mobile applications. A Dalvik virtual machine is used to run each application independently. Next up is the libraries level, which includes functionality for the C, C++ libraries, libc, media, including all the various media components, MPEG-4, H.264, MP3, JPEG, and PNG, as well as 2D and 3D graphics, the WebKit browser, type handling, secure socket layer, and SQLite for data storage. The application framework is a series of APIs used by the core applications and available to developers. With these APIs, developers can set up different layout views, handle user activity through the Activity Manager, access data from other applications, and much more. Finally, the application layer sits on top, hosting both the core applications, like the home page and phone, and any custom-developed and installed apps, whether from the Android market or your own studio. If you get serious about developing apps for the Android OS, you'll spend a good deal of time exploring the wealth of information and community found on developer.android.com. One key area you'll need to become familiar with is found under the Dev Guide in the Publishing section. This section explains how to digitally sign your app and the other steps you'll need to take in order to get your app in the Android market.